We basically provide a big blowgun to shoot glue up into a pre-drilled bolt hole for underground mining. We also offer specialised Trajectaflex training for the operators. The method of the Trajectaflex keeps the drill operator and the offsider behind the jack legs. The resin cartridges are installed semi-remotely from a resin loading manifold. It keeps them away from unsupported ground. One of the things I think that sets us aside from anyone else is the fact that we're so small and we're agile and we're able to move to our customers' needs at the time.